So, I'm going to explain a little bit about the club face, what that does to the ball flight of your ball, okay? If I was to set up to it and push my hands forward like that, am I taking loft away or adding loft to the face?
Taking off.
So what's that going to do to the ball flight?
Flat.
Right, it's going to be lower, okay? If I was to put the ball more forward in my stance, okay, and my hands back a little bit, what am I doing to that club face?
Adding loft.
Adding loft, right? What's that going to do to the ball flight?
Way higher.
Okay, I'm going to demonstrate both those shots, and you guys can see the difference in the height. When I add loft, that's going to help the ball go up.
Get higher.
Get higher up, right?
Yeah.
If we were downhill and you don't have to get the ball up in the air, you're not going to have to add as much loft, okay? So I've got my line drawn, that's where I club in. What happens if in your putting stroke, you take that putter bag and that putter face gets opened up just like that? Where's that ball going to go?
Go right.
Right. If that putter face is open, you're going to miss it out to the right, correct? It also is going to add just a little off to your putter. You may get some bounce right off it initially that we don't necessarily want. What if you set up to it and that putter face was closed during your stroke? It's going to go left, right? It's going to be a pull. Are either of those going to get the ball into the hole? No. So ideally, once you set up to it and pick out your line, you can stay square, make a good stroke. Good putt again. Alright, so does that make sense to everybody? How the putter face can affect the direction of the ball at the same time? The other point to this is, if this putt is 20 feet, right? If that putter face is open 1 degree, 20 feet away, how big of a mistake is that? Because it keeps going right.
Yeah.
It's feet of mistake. If it's 1 degree closed, 20 feet away, how big a mistake was that?
5 feet could be.
Right, it's going to be a lot, right? Also, if that putter face deviates open or closed, you're not going to hit as solid a putt as you need to. The ball isn't going to hold your line like it should,